Hello and welcome to this review of Brickmania's KFC4 with anti-air mount designed by a.k.a. Animation aka Andreas Eggen. The kit has the BKM number 2340 and it contains 198 Lego, Brickarms and Brickmania elements as well as 2 minifigures. It was released on the 9th of July 2021 at the price of $150. It comes in a standard Brickmania box on which there are 2 renders of the KFC together with the kit information on top and individual kit number on the side. From the front to the back, the KFC4 looks really good. Even though it is a relatively small kit, a.k.a. Animation was able to fit in some details as well as keeping all the angles correct. Especially the rear bumper features a lot of details, like a bucket, a spare wheel, gas can, and of course the twin anti-air mount I will get to in a second. The sides and front also have some details, most notably the shovel on the front and the ammunition boxes on the side, which are built using the Lego gold bar piece, which is a really good idea. Not to overlook, of course, is the canvas. It is of high quality and adds a really nice look to the kit. However, the installation is rather difficult and has a few problems. When first building it, these 2 connecting bars are too long and you can barely attach the canvas to both sides. Other people who have reviewed this kit have reported the same issue, so I am assuming I am not the only one who had it. However, this problem is rather easy to fix. You simply cut them down to about 1.5 centimeters or 15 millimeters. For me this worked excellent, and after that it was easy to attach the rest of the canvas. One thing I noticed while building is that the KFC also really looks great without the canvas. So if you want to, you can just remove it and it will still look very good, like you can see here. Here we can also see some of the inside details like a driving wheel and a mirror. Adding to the good looks of this kit is the printing featured all around the KFC. In total there are 9 printed pieces, 2 of which are the lamps depicting the iconic German headlight covers, as well as 2 company insignias right next to them. Also there is a Balkenkreuz on the doors, which is always nice to see, as well as the gun sight of the AA mount, the license plate and the handle on the gas can. The gas can, interestingly, is a mix between the old and the newer design. While it is built like the older one, it has a printed handle of the newer one. Compared to the rear one, the KFC4 is quite spot on. I especially like the detail of the rear door shape, which was nicely captured by a.k.a. Animation. Now to the features. All 4 doors of the KFC open and close without any problems, and the wheels roll nicely. But of course the main feature is the anti-air mount. It looks really good and actually includes 2 perfect caliber MG34s. I also really like how a.k.a. Animation designed the gun sight, which looks really good. It could theoretically rotate 360 degrees, however due to the canvas cover it can only turn on 180 degrees. Of course when you take the canvas off, like shown earlier, it will be able to rotate 360 degrees. With the canvas on, you can still rotate the guns 360 degrees if you just don't rotate the 2x2 platform they are mounted on. The guns can elevate up to almost 90 degrees upwards and downwards and can go until it hits the bricks around it. The 2 minifigures that are included were designed by Landon and are as always extremely good looking. The first one is basically just a standard German soldier with the 1941 uniform, and even though it's nothing special, it's still a nice addition to both your German army collection as well as the crew for the KFC. The other one is a mechanized infantry soldier with an awesome cap which has some pink in it as well as MP40 ammunition pouches. They don't come with any weapons, but obviously you can add your own. I personally gladly pay a higher price for the kit for these 2 minifigures. I do have a complaint about this one though. The helmet is very loose on its hand, which is super annoying because of how careful I have to be when grabbing it, and it just kind of makes the minifigure feel cheap. And it's not because of the helmet, but because of the head, which sucks because I could easily replace the helmet but not the head. I don't know what causes this and if it is Brickmania's fault or not, but this actually occurs quite often, especially with custom 3D printed headgear by Brickmania, even though the one in this kit is perfectly fine. So all in all, I can highly recommend this kit, especially if you're looking for something smaller and maybe not so much expensive, which still has a great impact to your collection. I can definitely see this fit perfectly into a convoy of German tanks in 1941, and even without a convoy it's still a very cool thing to have. a.k.a. Animation did a fantastic job designing it, and I cannot really think of any big criticism I have with this. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any, please leave feedback or criticism in the comments or on my Instagram, and have a great day.